Hey everyone, in this video, I'm reviewing the Cypher wallet. Find the product link below. This hardware wallet is perfect if security and control over your crypto are top priorities. Designed for those holding significant crypto assets, Cypher wallet provides reliable offline safekeeping. Its advanced security features, including a secure chip for private keys, protect against hacking. Sign transactions securely, your keys never touch the internet. A recovery seed ensures access to your funds, even if your device is lost. Cypher wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to various altcoins. Seamless integration with popular platforms lets you manage multiple assets easily. The simple design and intuitive interface make it beginner-friendly. Setup is straightforward, and you'll be managing your digital assets in no time. Cypher wallet is built for those who prioritize high-level security and don't mind the extra steps of a hardware wallet. It's ideal for long-term holders, DeFi users, and those transacting large amounts. Take control of your crypto, store it safely offline, and ditch third-party custodians. Cypher wallet is a top-notch hardware wallet for security-conscious users. Easy setup, broad crypto support, and offline storage make it a great choice. Check the link in the description for more.